Hi, today we will be talking about shapes. So let me open up PowerPoint. So let me create a slide. So first thing I'll need to do is I'll just change this layout to blank. So as you can see, I right click over the thumbnail of slide number 1, right click, and then move the mouse over to layout, choose blank, and to add some shapes, you go to the insert tab, and there you'll have shapes button under illustrations group. Then there are a lot of options to choose from. So let's say I will choose two shapes. Let's say I have the smiley face. I'll put the smiley face here. Okay, now to change the the color theme of the shape, there are two basic features that you have to check out, and they are the following. You have here at the top shape fill and shape outline. Just you have to remember that if you are not selecting the shape, you cannot access this. For example, if I will click outside, now I am not selecting the shape. That option cannot be found on the ribbon. But if I will click on the shape, then this drawing tool format, as you can see on the top, will become available. So now, to change the border or the outline color, you just click on the shape outline, and then you can change, let's say I want to change it to color black, as you can see, and then I want to maybe make the line thicker. So I can also move the mouse over to the weight. I will change it to maybe 3, right? So as you can see, the lines are now pronounced. So then I'll change the color. Okay, I click the shape again. This time I will choose shape fill, and then I'll choose yellow. Okay, and then now I have my shape. Okay, let me just move it here. So let's try to add another one. I'm gonna go click on the insert tab. I'll click on shape again. Then let's say I will pick this time a dialog box or a call out, like in comic books. Then I will drag the mouse like here. Then you can move the shape anywhere using the mouse. You move the mouse over the shape and then you drag it. Now as you can see here, this orange tip here, you can move it to make the shape look like it is talking. Okay, and then the other thing that I wanted to show you, aside from the fill and the outline, there are also styles that you could choose from. So there are more available here. You just click you just click on the more button here, then choose one that you like. Let's say I want to choose this style. So it's like a normal text box. Now to add an actual word inside, or even sentences, you click on the shape to activate it, and then you right click on the shape, and then there is the option that's called edit text. You click edit text, and then you can say, hello there, how are you today? And then of course, if you are familiar with MS Word, you can modify this. You can highlight the text, then you go to the home tab, and then you can choose some some styles that you want to use. Maybe let's say I have here some comic book font. I can increase the size. All right, and that's it for the shape. And by the way, just to show you other stuff before I end this video, there are things that you could do with the shape. Like for example, let me insert here um, no, okay, here, see this rotate, you can also change this, you can still increase the size of the shape as needed. And finally, you can add some effects, like usually you have some shadows. Let me show you. Okay, I hope you can see that one, but let's say something that's more visible, like a reflection. As you can see, there's like a reflection below it, like a glass surface. All right, so that is shapes.